In a space lesson delivered on December 9 from China's space station core module Tianhe, Chinese astronaut Wang Yaping showed to the audience a fresh apple stored in the refrigerator. The apple is from Shanxi province, a main apple-producing area in northwest China. Apples from Shanxi are now being sold to over 80 countries and regions around the world. However, there was a time when local apple growers lost many foreign orders because their apples were not good enough.
所以在这个时候呢，我们意识到必须狠抓整个苹果产业的转型升级。我们推动实施4大关键技术：大改型、强拉枝、无公害、乔施肥，整个果园的密度和树形呢进行了根本性的改良。
Apple growers from Shanxi have also selected and introduced high-quality varieties, expanding the local apple family to about 50 varieties. Besides, advanced growing and storage technologies are adopted to make sure that the apples meet international standards.
按照这个生产有机苹果的这个标准，灌水是肥水一体化，在灌溉的过程当中把肥料给带进去了，做到了这个配方施肥，就是按照你这个地理情况，缺什么补什么。在这个用药这一块，剧毒农药坚决不能用，高残留的农药坚决不能用。
Meanwhile, photoelectric sorting technology is adopted to categorize the apples.
一次这个通过苹果就可以检测30多项指标，比如说颜色，它会严格的区分色度，然后大小、甜度，然后酸度，硬度，就这些指标呢都可以检验出来。这样的话，你就会在品尝的时候风味会相当一致。
Through years of efforts, apples from Shanxi have acquired a series of international quality certifications. In June 2021, fresh Shanxi apples were carried into space and on the Shenzhou 12 spacecraft and sent aboard China's space station for the first time. In October, Shanxi apples traveled to China's space station again on the Shenzhou 13 spaceflight mission.
从20年前，我们拿到了出口订单，我们给人家挑不出符合标准的果子，到现在我们能拿得出上太空，这个非常高的这种标准，这充分说明是20年我们的苹果生产水平有了大幅度的提升，整个苹果产业链的这个状况呢也是大幅度的提升。我们的苹果最早是农民的脱贫果，现在是农民的致富果，我们还要成为乡村振兴时代农民的幸福果。